Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am very embarrassed to show my face because every time I say I'm gonna start a YouTube video, like my video or post a video again, and I just never, well, I actually do record, but then my life is so boring, so the clips don't add up. So I was just like, I'm not even about to put you guys through it. But we are back by the grace of God. And I'm in a different place. Sorry if I might be echoing. But as you can see by the title, this is an apartment move-in vlog. Your girl moved, but also it's because of school, the ghetto. So yeah, I wanted to start an intro. I had made a first intro, but I looked so hit because I've been sick for the past couple weeks. That's the story for another video. But yeah, I'm better now, thank God. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I tried to film as much as I could, and stay tuned for more videos. So yeah, we'll see you. A quick OOTD. I have this jacket on from Misguided, my inside kind of sweater from H&M, my split pants from Zara, my Prada dupes from H&M.
The shoes are from New Balance, pants are thrifted, the jacket's from H&M, and the sweater's from H&M. I'm so embarrassed, but yeah.
Why? Oh my gosh, so we got the things, we're waiting in line, because I need to exchange some things as well. Kind of running behind schedule, God help us. So yeah. Finally made it, and my sister is just the real MVP, aren't you?
Always.
So now I need to get my stuff. I thought they were locked. Okay. Get the packaging of everything. We got the mattress. So ghetto. I don't know why I didn't get the other one that it folds up and someone has to take it up the stairs, which is oh God, I'm just breathing so hard. A sneak peek. There's the stairs to go up into my room. This is the kitchen area. Oh, Marianne, I'm breathing so hard. God, I'm so tired. Marianne's helping me with this, and we have the things out here. So we're just gonna start putting them in. Oh yeah, this is the hallway. And the sword and stuff like that. Guys, we've done as much as we can today. Yay. Marianne has been such great help, and she has something to do today, so we have to be on the way back. I'm still expecting a lot of things. We're gonna have a room tour soon. I showed you basically everything, honestly, but yeah, let's go. Hey y'all, so we're back home. Marianne's about to step out looking like a snack or whatever. I'm about to take pictures of her, and then we're just gonna vlog tomorrow. Y'all, that concludes day one of packing and moving into my apartment. I'm just gonna look at this video and look at how horrible I look. Like, my skin got really bad as well because I was really sick. Like I said, that's a story for another video. But yeah, so thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey y'all, we're back. Yeah. Take again. Hey y'all, we're back, day 2. I'm not showing my face because yesterday I looked over my clip and I looked hit, so. guys, finally done. Y'all, look at my setup for recording. Very much ghetto, but we're done. We're done cleaning the kitchen and putting everything away. Now I'm gonna clean the floors because it's dusty. But yeah. And of course, Marianne has already made herself at home. Just made this matcha.
My favorite.
Wait. There you go. We came to the store to get some seasoning because your girl needs seasoning. And then we're gonna go back home and just like arrange everything else. So stay tuned. I'm breathing so hard because Mariana said no. We're taking one trip because we're not gonna die. One trip. It's 10 o'clock right now. And this is my last grocery. Oh, okay, we're good. Hey,
Please, y'all, can we tell us if these supposed to be outside or inside?
I know it's supposed to be outside, but like it just makes sense. Okay, put it outside. Marianne's gonna do us the honors in 3, 2, 1. But not least, guys, you. Thanks.